When it comes to India-Pakistan conflict, the United States, and particularly President Donald Trump's calls for peace, are like a wolf in sheep's clothing. Trump has publicly claimed credit for brokering a ceasefire between the two countries, portraying himself as a peacemaker who averted a nuclear conflict. He was the first to report the situation even before India and Pakistan. Following his unsuccessful attempts to resolve the Russia-Ukraine and Israel-Gaza conflicts, it appears that Trump is desperate for at least one victory. However, despite this spectacle, neither India nor Pakistan have officially acknowledged his involvement. That is quite embarrassing, to be honest. Meanwhile, the IMF, long seen as an extension of US influence, approved a bailout for Pakistan in the middle of this conflict under the guise of supporting economic growth. This move, despite Pakistan's well-documented links to terrorism, highlights Washington's double game. The IMF's action revealed that behind closed doors, the US may be quietly choosing sides, something not lost on India. Even Pakistan's own defense minister admitted on record that Pakistan has been doing the West's dirty work for decades. The result: the US appears to be playing both sides of the chessboard, offering peace overtures to one while quietly empowering the other. Is the US and its allied institutions really this blind, or they are just pretending to be? The IMF claims its recent bailout to Pakistan was meant to boost economic growth. But Pakistan's latest budget tells a very different story. A 7% cut in economic development spending and a 20% spike in defense allocations. This begs the question: Donald Trump, who knows full well that Pakistan has harbored global terrorists, including Osama bin Laden, who was found and killed inside Abbottabad, is now rushing to protect them. Why? There is one theory which has recently gained some online attention. Noor Khan Air Base, formerly known as Chaklala Air Base, is located in Rawalpindi, adjacent to Islamabad, and has historically served as a major hub for Pakistan's Air Force. But what's now surfacing is far more explosive. Allegations that the base is a covert US facility, so secretive that even Pakistani forces aren't allowed to enter it. During Operation Sindoor, India launched a deadly attack on the base, prompting Trump's unexpected and aggressive request for a ceasefire. If true, this connection between a hidden US military presence and America's diplomatic urgency begins to connect the dots. What looked like a peacekeeping may actually have been panic control. And for India, this revelation could change the entire geopolitical chessboard.